How to connect your YouTube account with battle.net, easy and fast. So first thing guys, to go to YouTube, and this is my YouTube account. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now go down and choose settings, and right here all what you have to do now is go and search for connected apps option, and here is it right here. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find battle.net. Click on it and click connect. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.